What is up, everyone? We are back again on another part of the series where we toast our brain cells reinventing the wheel. For today's video, we are going to put in some actual content into our project. But before we dive in, let's see what we made so far, of which we made nothing except for our fragment management system. Like I said, we are going to use single activity architecture. I wasn't exactly planning on doing so, but since I'm going to be using bottom sheet and dialog fragments, I thought why not? But what exactly is a single activity architecture? Traditionally, Android apps used multiple activities. Each screen was a separate activity. But in single activity architecture, the app has just one main activity, and all screens are handled by fragments or composables for Jetpack Compose. Since everything runs inside one activity, transitions between screens are faster and more fluid. No reloading the entire screen. With a single activity, sharing data between screens becomes simpler. No need for complex intent extras or view models. Fewer activities mean less overhead. Your app consumes less memory and starts up quicker. Single activity works great for apps with complex navigation, like social media, e-commerce, or banking apps. But for very simple apps, multiple activities might still be okay. Now that we know what a single activity architecture is, let's dive in. First up is, of course, getting rid of these useless fragments. We only added these to make an example, but now we no longer need all of them. Then let's go ahead and design the first screen, the dashboard. This will be the home screen, the first screen we will be seeing the moment we open the app. Now just make sure we have the activity show this fragment. I usually forget about this, so let's do it first. But before any of that, before I forget, let's head first to the resource manager. Then to the values folder. Here, let's import the attributes file I created. This file, and all the files together with this SWB, will be available for download in our Telegram channel. Link will be on the description below. Then go back and head to Java and Kotlin Manager and do the same thing. Import the Java class I already made. This Java class is a custom layout I call LightCardView and a subclass of relative layout. We will be using this for our project instead of the card view. This one is lighter than card view and offers more customization. You can of course use shapes drawables plus relative layout if that's what you want, but for who doesn't want to go on writing different drawables for each use case, this one is better. I won't be explaining much from this point on, as most of it are just me designing stuff, and I don't think any of you would even follow along. But if you do, that's great. Anyways, I'll still be explaining or pointing out some stuff which I'll deem necessary, especially some tricks you might not know yet in Sketchware Pro. Now here, let me show you guys one trick I usually use in Sketchware Pro. We'll be using our lightcard view to do that. We need to convert the layout. As you can see here, in order for us to use the custom layout, we still need to put on the package name plus the folder if it was inside one. While this is fine, this is so not fine when the package name is way too long. Plus, this is prone to errors if the package name is long and we miss just a single letter. Here's the trick: delete the package name and leave only the name of the layout. Head to the Java and Kotlin Manager and into our custom layout class. Here, just change the package name to Android.view. Then add the import for the R class. And with that, we should no longer have any problem using our custom layout. Of course, this trick is only for Sketchware Pro, so don't think of using on other IDE unless you know what you're doing. Then this attributes file here is the attributes we can then set for our lightcard view. Now back to what we are doing. And just like that, we've got our home screen done and ready. Now on to the next one. Let's add the on-click event first. Then go back again to the Java Manager, then to our Fragment Helper class. Here, we are going to modify our Show Dialog Fragment function to make our dialog background transparent. The snippets is at the pinned comment below, and the Java will of course be inside the SWB that will be uploaded on our Telegram channel. We'll be starting on the About screen, which will be a bottom sheet, so I can also show you how to make the bottom sheet background transparent. Now to make the background of this bottom sheet fragment transparent, go to the onCreate event, then just paste the Java snippet for bottom sheet transparency. The snippets, again, is at the pinned comment. You can then just save this ASD block to your collection so you can use it on other projects as well. And that's how you make bottom sheet background transparent. And that pretty much is the content of the second part. I'm going to cut the video now as this now getting longer, and I don't think any of you will be going on and watch a whole video of just designing the UI. I'm going to be finishing the whole UI of the project with some refinements and post a short video featuring it. The finished project, the SWB, will be uploaded a bit later on the Telegram channel. And I think we can now safely check one of our Todo lists. And we just finished one of the part, and yep, we still got a lot to go. I will not be uploading on Friday since my internet provider will be doing maintenance upgrade on Friday, so we'll be seeing again on Monday. I'll be going for 2 or 3 parts on Monday. Leave a like and comment if you like the video, and subscribe to the channel to stay updated. And with that, this is Sketchzone logging out.